Good evening, everyone. My name is Mensah Alkebu-Lan. I'm a software engineer at Universal Equations. Now, we've talked about Gatsby before, and we're going to be talking about Gatsby right now, and I'm pretty sure we'll be talking about it in the future. It's pretty fascinating technology. I'm surprised there's no hashtags floating around about it, but that's cool. Developers, we know sometimes the stuff we care about is not tweeted about, but that's cool. But this is a good technology. So recently, I want to say last month, there was an announcement by Gatsby and Netlify that incremental builds are now available on Gatsby Cloud, and they can be enabled in Netlify. Take a little work, but it can be done. So this is a pretty big step because, let me tell you what incremental builds are. It basically means that, because we're talking about CMSs, a content management system. So some of you may know about these things because you may use them if you're in marketing and if you do blogs, do blog articles, etc. So that's about as tech as you need to be in that space, because you just have to know how to go into the WordPress or the whatever and upload or submit your article or whatever you have, and it'll automatically show up on the site. So that's kind of where Gatsby is gaining traction, because you can use Gatsby and WordPress together. You can use it with a number of content management systems. It's pretty nice framework, and it is React based. But on top of that, it uses the GraphQL, which developers like me find great as well. You use your GraphQL queries to query a number of things, whether it's generating meta tags for your site, which includes favicon images and things like that, which can be annoying to do yourself. It can generate favicons for different sizes. But let's not stray too far from the point. Incremental builds, I say all that to say that when you change data in your CMS, Gatsby rebuilds your site. It is a static generator, so it's generating pages for your site and putting them into a directory. And that's great because they'll load faster, et cetera, et cetera. If you know about things like CloudFront and stuff like that, having those static pages is great. And also, even on the WordPress side, people want to export their code to static because it eliminates some of the security vulnerabilities. But that's a whole nother conversation. But I'm just saying that to say that a lot of these static site generators are becoming popular for a reason. There's one for Angular called Scully. That's pretty nice too. That we may mention, in one video, we may not. But I say all that to say that with incremental builds, when you change data, incremental builds means it's only going to build what is necessary instead of rebuilding the whole site. So obviously the build time, which is a big thing for some people, the build time is faster because it's only doing a partial rebuild of your site. It's a fraction of the time. And I'm talking about 1/100ths, 1/1000ths. It's a lot faster because Gatsby now is smart enough. It knows the relationship between the data and the actual pages. Because when you submit your blog post or whatever, it populates on a particular page. So if Gatsby knows what the relationship is between your page and the data, then why rebuild the whole site when I know exactly what page needs to be rebuilt, because I know what the relationship is between the data and the page. Pretty brilliant. I'm pretty sure, if I can remember correctly, people have been trying to do this for a while, which is why this is a pretty big announcement for us. So I say all that to say that I think that may be that may be it. I think I can let you get back to what you're doing. Have an amazing Memorial Day weekend, have an amazing evening, have an amazing week. And I'm pretty sure, like I said, we'll continue to talk about this Gatsby technology. It's really great. and Netlify, because Gatsby and Netlify go well together. And we'll talk about some of the Netlify functionality. I'm pretty sure we have intentions to do that. But yes, peace.